Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to try and make barbecue chicken. It's my first time, so wish me good luck. Hopefully it should come out nicer than I expected. Let me introduce my ingredients. I've got my chicken wings, and then the barbecue sauce is here. I've got smoked paprika, chili powder, and then mixed spice. I'm going to blend these ones. So that's garlic, thyme, parsley. I've got my ginger, red onions. This is black peppercorn and my chicken stock cubes. Okay, I don't go without those. Right. So let me blend this first and we will kickstart. That's all blended nicely. That's 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. Next is 1 teaspoon of chili powder, another 1 teaspoon of paprika. Let me just mix this together. Okay, so that's all mixed. I will now add my blended spices. I won't use everything. I will add a little pink salt to finish it off. And then again, I'll mix. That's all mixed nicely. I'll transfer this into the baking tray and it will go into the oven. This is now going into the oven for about 15 minutes and I'll take it out. This is part 1. It's been in the oven for 15 minutes. So let's get this going. So I've turned everything upside down. It will now go back into the oven for another 15 minutes. That's another 15 minutes gone. So altogether it's been in the oven for 30 minutes. I'm now going to add my Nando's barbecue sauce. I'll transfer it back here. I will add 1/4 of the barbecue sauce. Yeah. And then again, I'll marinate it with it. Now I'll transfer it back into a clean baking tray. I can't wait for it to be done. Part 3, it's going back into the oven for another 15 minutes. Part 3 is done. Okay, so let's do another turning around. So part 4, which is the final stage, it will go back into the oven for another 15 minutes. That's all done. I'm sure you are wondering what is boiling there. I didn't show you how I made this because I have a video of spinach and kale stew on my channel, either Peace Amewowor, Married with a Life, or Kitchen Romance on Facebook and YouTube. It's actually under the pregnancy series, so find it and try it at home. Wow, is this not lovely? My wonderful barbecue chicken wings. You definitely need to like this video. Please click on the thumbs up. Leave a comment for me. What do you really like about this video? And please don't forget to share. As usual, I will not fail to give you a complete meal. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye.